Hello, my name is Purva. I read in class 9. My school name is Namkhana Union High School. I learned Raspberry Pi from RoboPi. Today I make a awesome project which is known as the Wi-Fi controlled RGB in the guidance of Amarpreet sir. I used some tiny components like some jumper wires, R220 ohm resistance and a RGB. And for making this website I used Python and HTML. So when I change the color through the slider, the color became changed on this RGB, and this all color changes on the Raspberry Pi was heated, so that color was not changed perfectly. Now I am changing the color, and you can see the color became changed on the RGB. Here is the combination, and here we can make so many types of combination as we can see on this RGB. Thank you. If you want this project and if you like this project, so then comment us and support us.